So I'm going to begin by using estimation to try and figure out what 289 plus 276 is. So what I'm going to do is round these numbers up to the closest 100 so that it's easier for the students to calculate. So these two numbers are closest to 300. So I'm going to make it 300 plus 300. And we can easily tell that 300 plus 300 is 600. So we know that because 300 plus 300 is 600, this number should be close to 600. So now we're going to calculate what 289 plus 276 is using the base 10 blocks. So we want to start with the ones over here. So what we're going to do is add all of the ones together, okay? So we're going to put these down here. And then what we want to do is see if there is enough of these ones to make a tens block, okay? So we can simply do this by counting out 10 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to take these away and trade them in for a tens block. And then these ones over here, we just leave them here because they're going to be part of the answer. Okay? And now, once we're done the ones, we move on to the tens. So once again, we just add them all together. So we take the 8 here, which is actually 80, plus 70. Okay? And move them down here. Once again, we want to try and trade these in for a 100, okay? So we can simply do that by counting out 10 of the tens blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just take these away, put them off to the side, and trade it in for a 100s block, okay? And once again, these just stay here because these are the answer. These are going to be part of the answer. So these are the tens in the answer, okay? So then we move over to the 100. So we have 200 plus 200. So we can't trade those in for anything. So we just take them and make them part of the answer, okay? So if this is our answer, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. That equals 565. So now we're going to do the different or personal strategy to figure out 289 plus 276 equals. So what I want to do here is make it so that these two numbers are easier for the students to calculate. So I'm going to subtract 39 from 289. This gives us 250. So I want to make 276 simpler as well. So I'm going to go ahead and make 250 as well by subtracting 26. So that gives us 250. And we can easily see that 250 plus 250 equals 500. Right. So we can't forget to add in the 39 and the 26. So I'm going to take these two numbers and just bring them down here. So 39 plus 26. So we want to make these two numbers simpler to add once again. So I'm going to make a 39 a 40 by adding 1, which gives us the 40. And then I want to subtract 1 from the 26 to give us 25. So then we'll just go ahead and add these two together, which gives us 65. Alright, so now we need to add the 565 together. So just go ahead and do that. So 500 plus 65 equals 565. So the 565 is our final answer.